I am obsessed with this niacinamide and genuinely it's so good. Never ever without a lip balm. I love a good lip balm so much. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है it's my honest skincare regime. It's a very requested video and मैंने बहुत पहले भी एक बनाया था which actually worked really well. But मेरा skincare routine ऐसे जो थोड़ा change होता रहता है. See, as creators, we do try a lot of new products. Sometimes it does not work well for us also. Like मेरा skin barrier कई बार compromise भी हुआ इस वजह से to try new products. बट मैं फिर भी करती हूँ. आई नो वॉट प्रोडक्ट्स वर्क फॉर मी वॉट डोंट. मेरी स्किन दिसंबर में वॉज रियली बैड बट आई यूज सम प्रोडक्ट्स जो मुझे पता है मेरे लिए अच्छे काम करते हैं. सो देन माई स्किन इज गुड अगेन नाउ. आई डू हैव लाइक अभी बिकॉज आई जस्ट गॉट डन विथ माई पीरियड्स एंड आई ऑलवेज गेट hormonal acne, so I do have एक दो marks of the hormonal acne, which is okay, but this is something that worries me because it's like a damage, sun damage, or birthmark. I don't know what this is. So I'll have to get it checked with Derma. It has been there for some time now. I think good 2-3 years. So I don't know if it's sun damage or whatever it is. But yeah, except this scar, which is like a very light one. Forget this, only this one. I do not have any blemish or acne on my face usually. एक दो जो आते हैं hormonal acne वो जैसे जैसे दिन खत्म होते हैं it goes away. So मेरी skin usually clear रहती है and I think it's just very basic skincare that I follow now. I've learned it the hard way कि हर product नहीं try करना है ताना. You have to stick with the ones that work out for you. So I'm gonna show you guys all the products that actually work out for me. And ऑनेस्ट है ये एकदम जो भी मैं करती हूँ. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने अमेजोन से लिए हैं एंड मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी, तो आप चेक कर लेना. दे ऑल्सो हैव सम ऑफर्स गोइंग ऑन, तो आपको काफ़ी कुछ सेल पे भी मिल जाएगा. एंड या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. फर्स्ट स्टेप वो मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ, विच इज क्लेंजिंग. बाय द वे आई हैव bare face right now. This is how my skin looks without anything. I just have a little bit of lip balm. There is no sunscreen, no moisturizer, no filter, nothing on my skin right now. So this is the cleanser that I have currently with me, which I'm using. This is the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. It's so good, I can't tell you guys. It's for normal dry skin. मेरी skin is a combination skin, so it works for me. मुझे combination skin वाले फेस वॉशेस जो हैं वो easily नहीं मिलते हैं अच्छे. ऑल्दो देयर इज अ बायोडर्मा का फेस वॉश, द CBM वाला, उनका ब्लू वाला जो है, इट्स सो गुड फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. तो जब मेरी स्किन मेस्ड अप होती है मैं या तो वो यूज़ करती हूँ या ये यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड दिस वन हैज़ बीन माई करंट गो टू. सो या दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट आई डिड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड इट. इसका टेक्सचर काफ़ी अच्छा है एंड अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है तो मे बी दिस वोंट वर्क, बट आई डोंट हैव एन ऑयली स्किन, आई हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. मेरा सिर्फ टी जोन हल्का सा ऑयली रहता है एंड विद द करंट बॉम्बे वेदर वो भी नहीं रहता है. सो currently this works well for me, so this is the first product that I use. Next up, very important step for me, which is a niacinamide serum. So I'm currently using this Plum ka rice water and niacinamide serum. I love Plum Goodness products. For some reason I feel they work really well on Indian skin. और इनका ये niacinamide serum मेरा one of the favorites है. So wherever I get these blemishes and all because of hormonal acne, I end up using this and trust me, it actually works for my skin. तो मुझे नाइसिनमाइड दो सीरम्स बहुत पसंद है. इसका बाय द वे टेक्सचर इट्स सो लाइट वेट, आपको फील भी नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई रब इन बोथ माई हैंड्स एंड आई जस्ट जेंटली पैट इट ऑन माई स्किन जितना मुझे रिक्वायरमेंट होगा. आई टेक 2 pumps, max to max 3 pumps, and that's gonna be it. So that's the serum that I apply. And the tip with skincare is कि let your product sit at least 30 seconds. Boyfriend से लड़ लो, phone पे reel देख लो, कुछ करो, but 30 seconds let it sit before you apply or layer the next product. I have stopped using any other serum right now because I realized कि मुझे कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा था. मेरी skin जो है वो breakout हो रही थी because of everything. So now I just stick with niacinamide. It actually works really well for me. And this is one serum that works for all skin types. Dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, कोई भी skin type हो, ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगा. And I love this product. Genuinely, this is my third bottle and I am in love with it. So this is the next product that I have. This is a 10% niacinamide. And अगर आप medicated चाहते हो So I will attach a link in the description, because before this I used a CBM करके है a niacinamide, which is a derma recommended niacinamide. You don't even get it easily, but you get it on Amazon or you get it in pharmaceuticals. So that is like chef's kiss as a serum. So if not this, that, if not that, this. So this is a niacinamide that I use currently. And now our next step, which is also my favorite step. Next step is moisturizer. So I'm currently using this Neutrogena Hydra Boost moisturizer. I love gel moisturizers. I don't like cream moisturizer utna. And this is a very lightweight gel format moisturizer. If you can see, I'm just gonna take some for my skin and apply. और इसके सिवा मुझे लानेज के मॉइस्चराइजर्स बहुत पसंद है, मुझे इनिसफ्री बहुत पसंद है, मुझे फेस शॉप बहुत पसंद है, एंड देन दिस, मुझे सिंपल के मॉइस्चराइजर्स बहुत पसंद है. तो ये 4-5 ब्रांड्स है जो मुझे पता है कि मेरी स्किन के लिए काम करती हैं. तो आई ट्राई स्टिकिंग विद दीज. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं हर महीने ये यूज़ करती हूँ. आई कीप स्विचिंग इट अप थोड़ा बहुत. I do try new products also बीच बीच में, but if I'm not trying anything new, I keep going back to these 4-5 brands जो I know will work for my skin really really well. Make sure your moisturizer is even applied to your neck. We often skip it, but neck is also as important as your face. तो जब face care कर रहे हो, neck पे भी ज़रूर से करना. And I also like to do these little massages. So what I do is I push my skin towards outwards. तो मुझे लगता है ये ना आपकी skin थोड़ा younger रखने में help करती है. Now I don't use a gua sha. That's not my thing. Also, face oils don't suit me at all. I've tried Kama ke face oils. I've tried Ayuga ke face oils. I don't know how many brands I've tried for face oils. But मुझे 2-3 के बाद ही समझ में आ गया था कि face oils are not for me. So I don't use a gua sha either. So I just do these little massages with my hand, and I think they work for me, because I often get that I look younger than how I am. So I think, yeah, that's gonna be it. And now moving to the next step, जो सब बोलते रहते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है and ज़रूरी है, sunscreen. So I'm using this. It's the Biore. आप देख सकते हो almost खत्म हो चुकी है 70%. It's the Biore UV Accurate sunscreen. So good. I love this sunscreen. In general, मुझे I think 2-3 brands का छोड़ के सब sunscreen सूट हो जाती है. I love Wishcare की sunscreen. I was using Wishcare इसके पहले. I love Laneige sunscreens. I love anything which is lightweight. I like using it, and not very cream centric. I don't like creamy sunscreens. I like more like gel based or light sunscreen, जो थोड़ी runny consistency में. Like Wishcare is a runny consistency, even though it's like a cream format. So I love sunscreens which are that way. Now this is um, cream, but it suits me really really well. So इसलिए ये मुझे चल जाती है. But Laneige हो गया, Wishcare हो गया, all these brands are really something that I like using as sunscreens. And then of course, अगर थोड़ा मैं expensive लेना चाह रही हूँ तो Biore ones work for me as well. तो बस थोड़ा सा सनस्क्रीन लिया, इसको ईयर्स पे भी लगाया मैंने, एंड अच्छे से अगेन पूरे फेस में ब्लेंड करा, एंड सनस्क्रीन इज डन. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट स्टेप, जो मैंने एक्चुअली वीडियो चालू होने से पहले ही कर लिया था, बिकॉज आई लाइक हैविंग समथिंग ऑन माई लिप्स. आई यूज अ लिप बाम. It can be any good lip balm, to be honest. Currently, I'm using this one from Laneige. It's one of my favorite brands in all skincare. So I love Laneige products. And this is their lip glowy balm. I have applied this also. I can apply it again because I love it so much. But एक lip balm ज़रूरी है. I love the sleeping mask जो है overnight वाला. The purple one, I have it also. I use it at night. But for daytime, that's it. There is one more product that I use at night, and that is for these scars जो hormonal acne के बाद रुके ना जिसके लिए, because if you see it's just 1 or 2 जो अभी मेरे dates गए हैं इसलिए है, but otherwise they don't stay for more than a week. So this is the one that I'm using. It's the Access by Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. It's almost over. The second tube is almost over. It is so good as a product. It's of course in the description box. Comments में भी pin होगा. It's from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. It's a Korean brand, and अगर आपके dark spots हैं, this is one of the best thing that you can use for your skin. So yeah, it takes time. It does take time. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि overnight change हो जाएगा. It will take good 2 months to show you the result. But once you start using it consistently, it does work out really really well. So that's the next product that I have. this was my honest skincare routine. Honestly, this is all I do, and this is how my skin looks. I'm gonna give you a close up, just a beauty shot in a second. This is my raw and real skin. I love it, to be honest. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's not just skincare, it is also what you eat. I usually have clearer skin because I don't eat lot of junk. मैं जो खाती हूँ मैं घर पे बना लेती हूँ सब कुछ, चाहे पास्ता हो या कुछ भी हो. I don't like eating it a lot. I eat once a week बाहर usually. And या नथिंग मेजर. लोग कहेंगे पानी बहुत पियो, मैं नहीं पीती हूँ, ट्रस्ट मी. मैं पानी नहीं पीती हूँ, एंड एवरीवन नोज इट अराउंड मी. मुझे नहीं पिया ज़्यादा ज़्यादा पानी, लेकिन अगर आप पी सकते हो तो दैट्स गुड फॉर यू. मैं 4 लीटर पानी 5 लीटर पानी नहीं पीती हूँ, मैं 1 लीटर पी लेती हूँ, उसमें मेरा बहुत हो जाता है. आई कांट डू इट. एंड या, if you have any more concerns about your skincare, you want to know something from me, आप comments में mention कर सकते हो. Also, something about skincare, I do get closed comedones easily, and uske liye you can get cleanups done. I haven't gotten done one in like a long time, which is why ये hormonal acne भी आया, otherwise ये भी नहीं आता है. So I think this also is because closed comedones इकट्ठा हो गए थे, तो उसकी वजह से then damage हो गया. I don't know, whatever it is. So I'm gonna go and get a cleanup done probably by next month itself. But that's my skincare and that's what I do. So yeah, that's everything that this video is about. I hope you guys liked it, and that's what I do. And if you guys want to check out the products, it's from Amazon. Everything is in the description box. I am gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.